Welcome to the AI Voyage. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of ChatGPT, one of the most powerful language models available today. In this video, we'll be covering everything you need to know about using ChatGPT, including creative prompts and how to get the most out of this versatile tool. First, let's talk about what ChatGPT is and how it works. ChatGPT is a large language model that uses deep learning to generate human-like text. It was trained on a massive dataset of text from the internet and can understand and respond to a wide range of topics and styles. One of the most powerful features of ChatGPT is its ability to use creative prompts. A creative prompt is a short piece of text, such as a sentence or a phrase, that ChatGPT uses as a starting point to generate new text. By providing ChatGPT with a creative prompt, you can guide the model to generate text that is relevant to your specific needs. Here are a few examples of creative prompts you can use with ChatGPT. Write a short story about a robot who becomes self-aware. Generate a recipe for a vegan lasagna. Write a poem about the beauty of nature. As you can see, the possibilities are endless. When using ChatGPT, there are a few things to keep in mind to get the most out of the model. Here are some tips. Be specific. The more specific your creative prompt is, the better the output will be. For example, instead of asking ChatGPT to write a story, give it a specific topic or genre to focus on. Be patient. ChatGPT is a powerful model, but it takes time to generate high-quality text. Be patient and give the model enough time to generate a response. Be open-minded. Remember, ChatGPT is a machine learning model, so it doesn't always produce perfect results. Be open-minded and willing to revise or edit the output to suit your needs. Be playful. ChatGPT is a tool that allows for a lot of creativity and experimentation. Have fun with it, try different things and see what works best for you. That's it for today's video on using ChatGPT with creative prompts. We hope you found it helpful and that you're excited to start experimenting with this powerful tool. As always, if you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below. Hit that subscribe button and join us on the AI Voyage for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.